What do I know about Minis, you might ask? Absolutely nothing. Hi everybody and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. My name's Russell. Usually we do videos on motorbikes or e-scooters or cars or any kind of crap like that. But today I literally just rolled into my workshop this Mini John Cooper 1997. It's another 97. I've got a 97 Motor Bongo, 97 BMW Z3 and now a 97 Mini Cooper. What do I know about Minis, you might ask? Absolutely nothing. So this is going to be either another one of them projects which sits around and doesn't actually happen or do anything, or we do it up, or we get it running, because currently it doesn't run. So this is going to be our first port to try and fix, is getting the thing running. I bought it from a friend who lives around the corner, and he was sort of had an advert in the window, and the missus phoned me and said, oh, there's a Mini around the corner for sale. So I was like, do you know what? I paid 1,250 quid for it. No MOT since 2018. Doesn't run. Clutch is rock hard. Don't know if that's to do with some solenoid or something. Tyres are flat. Body corrosion, not too bad, but a little bit. I'll go round it quickly with you. And if you do know anything about Minis, guys, please leave a comment down below and sort of give us some tips and advice of things that I should look out for, areas which are usually troublesome and stuff like that. So I'll grab the camera and we'll have a walk around and we'll take a look at the good and the bad and the ugly and see if we've got ourselves a good deal or we've bought a lemon. Anyway, let's go. All right, so here we are. Here we are. This is it. From the outset, it looks pretty tidy. Do you know what I mean? 1,200 quid. I was like, you do not see many Minis around anymore at all, and they're going for about 6,000 to 8,000. So I thought, well, you know what? Let's take a little punt and have a look and see what we think on it all. So generally, it's not too bad. We'll start from the front. Again, when I saw it, it didn't look too bad, and then I got a bit closer, and then I was like, oh yeah, actually, we have got a bit of rust in and around here, but it's quite solid though, you know, got a bit of rust up and around here. I don't know if this is common rust or what, I'm not sure. We have got a bit of damage down here. Looks like it's had a brush. Oh, it's had a brush with something, and we've got obviously a dent, bit of chrome down there. Both front trims are a bit damaged. Lights look okay, front fogs. This side of the car, which is the side I spent most of the time looking at, it looked all right when I said I'd buy it. Obviously another bit of broken trim down here. The tyres are all knackered, flat, and shot to shit. They're all flat, no tread really on them. That's the guy who I called. What we got? Let's have a look in here. So we've got a bit of footwell. It's a new battery, but it's flat, so we're probably going to put that on charge. A bit of that. Never really had a Mini before, so I don't really know what I'm looking for, good or bad. But I thought the interior looked pretty nice. Again, never really owned a Mini, so I didn't really know what to look for or to expect. But nice little bit of worn up. The controls, I mean, they are very, very basic, aren't they? We've got heat or floor, fans, hot or cold, like a stereo, a clock. But generally it's pretty tidy in here though. This is all good. This is all nice. No mould. I'm saying there's a bit of damp. Oh, I've just got a bit of damp through the ceiling there, so I don't know how. That's probably from a sunroof somewhere. I don't know why you need a sunroof in a Mini, but apparently you do. But yeah, let's have a look under the bonnet. So here we have the engine. It looks like this is relatively new alternator, belts. All the leads look pretty new, as do the plugs. I'm getting a wet knee. Am I getting a wet knee? No, it's just extremely cold. Bit more rust underneath down there. The filter looks like it's about to fall off because it's so rusty. He said that he had it starting, if you wiggled this, it started going. Wow, it ticked over. So if anyone knows why that is, again, please do leave a comment, try and help me out, see what's going on. Obviously there's ECU. See if there's any fluid in here. Oh, well, that's just snapped off completely. Oh, that's annoying. So it just snapped off the old brake reservoir level caps on there. Break that off, nice. Fluids in there. But the pedal is like rock hard. Like the clutch pedal, you push it, it doesn't do anything. So I don't know if that's because it's on a solenoid or if it's because it's fucked and I'm going to need to take the engine out and strip the two parts. So again, comments below would be handy. What is that? What is this cover? It's just sitting up here. You see it's got any water in it? Yeah. Bit of ready brown water. Check for oil. It's got oil in it. So what I'll probably do is I'll probably charge the battery up and then see if it will turn over, and it probably won't. I'll scratch my head for a bit. I'll read through the comments to tell me if you guys have got any ideas of what the hell's going on, and then pray to Jesus. Oh yeah, that's that bit there. There's that bit on there. It might be good. It might still be good, you know. Who knows? The guy who bought it off was also a mechanic and he didn't really get anywhere on it all. But I don't know what that tells me, as in maybe I shouldn't have touched it, or he said he had offers of like 1,500 quid already. So hopefully it's a sound investment and then we can get somewhere with it all. But yeah, this will be the next thing that we'll be tinkering around on, and then put some time and effort into this, because this is small and we can tinker around on this one. So yeah, this is the new one. Thanks for watching, guys. Any ideas, any tips, please do subscribe, because you'll be helping me out, and then you can also help me out, leaving comments and give me your advice on the minis. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.